Oh, you mean you don't know? Says your boy Yaadman Etan. And before we get into this video, I need to remind you guys to subscribe and keep the vibe.
Ding dong done.
My youth. I fear things going at the party last night.
I'm going to the party.
My youth. Etan.
Yo.
Pretty girl, dog.
Yeah, what about her, dog?
What do you mean what about her? Pretty good.
Yeah.
No, that girl is pretty.
Yeah, she pretty in a dog, but
feel like a she that.
yeah, she. What mean a she that?
A she that, Bridget.
What you mean?
A she that, man. I got married now, Bridget. Etan.
You good, dog?
Etan.
I never hear the gyal is from
Wow,
yesterday,
no,
dog.
Etan,
No,
man, what you
dog.
mean?
What do you see?
Etan, what you mean when I say my
Dog,
youth?
what do you see, dog?
What you mean when I say that's what I say? Look now, Bridget. It's an angel.
Angel, which part, brother? This is a demon girl, that dog.
God send the angel, man. Just forward your call with my
Brother,
youth.
dog. Virgin.
Etan, forward now, man.
Jesus Christ. Don't do it.
Come on in, guys. Make yourself at home. Make yourself at home.
Yo, dog.
Do what? No. Let's go.
Angel, the dog's a
Dog,
demon. The
you
dog,
see my
dog
youth?
is a demon, brother. Let's go,
Etan.
brother. Don't do this, please, dog. Don't.
That's cool.
I want the tall one first.
Dog, she want me first, Bridget. She want me first, Etan. Just give me here.
Don't give her body water. You need holy water on that dog. Let's
Listen,
go,
give me the
dog.
dog. Just give me like
Please.
5. Just give me like 5 hours, maybe even 6. And when we're done, we'll call you. Come here. Grass, little more. You allow me to wait for this angel.
Colin. Please, just let me go, please, may I beg you, please.
You can go.
Oh, please. No, please, no.
Never know some demon too.
Moral of the story: door and put a demon girl.
You don't know it's your boy, Yaadman Etan. Thank you guys for watching that video. Now, I'm going to need you guys' help so I can continue to make a splash. And to make waves on YouTube, I'm going to need you guys to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends. You guys can also follow me on Twitter and Instagram at Yaadman Etan. Oh yeah, one more thing. The link in the description below. Yeah, click that, buy my merch, help me pay bills. Thanks.
And when I reach their face, say it. See, I'm going to follow the pattern in your hand and they say it. And perfect. Yeah. Keep rubbing. No, flat out. Flat.
My fingernail them don't do. Why you gonna focus man?
Come.
Them look like a man hand, like seriously?
Just